Indy, yes, good job, Indy. And Arusha, well done. Okay, so once you finish this, you need to erase all pencil marks. If you have any pencil marks anywhere, you need to clean your page, okay? Clean this page properly. Okay, I'm going to clean my page and then we will start coloring this. Okay, one more thing. You can add a few more things over here. So for feathers, you can just add few curves. You can use your marker directly. Okay, little modification, a little add-ons we are going to add here. So you have little curves going on into the wings. Also, these branches are bare branches. So we need to add some leaves to our branches. So you can add basic kind of leaves to your branches, something like this. Make sure leaves are little big. Okay, don't draw small leaves, otherwise it becomes difficult for you to color it inside. Okay, let's add leaves here and there. You can use your marker. Make sure leaves are big. Okay, wherever you have space, you can add. Is done with borders? How many of you are done? Runmai, it's looking very, very good. Lovely. Good job. Ainesh, how about you? Did you finish? Hania, Ira, Anvi, Amaya, Ishani. Okay, I'm adding few more leaves. I have a lot of space here. So let's utilize all this space. Okay, don't forget to clean your page. Once you border, please clean your page. How many of you have oil pastels with you? Crayon, pastels, anyone? Please raise your hands. If not, you can use whatever other material you have, okay? I'm going to use oil pastels, especially for birds. So first we are going to finish birds and then we are going to finish background. Okay, we have to finish entire page. Usually we also color this empty part, which is a negative space or called as background. Okay, this is positive space where you have your main subject going on. And then this is background. Okay, we are going to make these birds super colorful. Well done, Ruma. Erase pencil marks, Ruma. Arusha, did you finish? Arusha, your screen is stuck for me. I'm not able to see you. Ida, good job. Amaya, good job. Nice. Sri Bala Gayatri, nice. Yes, Indy too. Well done, Indy. Anyone else? Ishani also. Well done. Ishani, add leaves to your branches. And Ainesh, well done. Ainesh, can you increase size of those leaves little bit? Too small. Leaves are too small. Jivika, hold your paper up. Yes, Mrunmai, good job. Misheta, very, very well done. Ria too, nice. Srivalli, good job. Srivalli, are you using any thin marker? Is it possible for you to get slightly thicker marker next time? Okay, because thin marker will give you thin borders and thick marker will give you thick borders. So we need slightly thicker borders. It will look nice. Okay, if possible, can you manage it by next class? Hania, well done. Good job. Okay, chalo, let's start coloring then. All right, let's start coloring. First color that I'm going to pick is, 1 minute. I need to get my color palette. 1 minute. Okay, first color that you will pick is light green color. Okay, whichever shade of light green you have, you can take it. Usually I'm going to type my shade number in the chat box. If you have same company or same brand, you can take that. Okay, I'm using shade number 240 light green. Shade number 240. Now you just follow me. I'm going to start with the head of my first bird, but I'm not coloring it entirely. I'm going to start bordering this bird's head with light green color. If you have crayons, oil pastels, you can use it. If not, you can use any other material. Okay, usually it's really flaky. So I'm going to clean this with my brush. Okay, so that's your first shade, light green color, and you need to border first bird's head with light green. Okay, center of this tummy. This is also in light green. Let's finish all light green color work. Okay, for coloring, we all are going to have different working speed. Okay, so you need to take your time. Just because teacher is coloring fast, you don't have to. You can take your time, press your crayon down. Do not leave any white gaps anywhere. Check all corners, whether you've colored all corners or no. Okay, your second color is lemon yellow. So I'm going to type this shade number here. Lemon yellow is 236, 236. How many of you have started coloring? Raise your hands. Shivansh, did you start coloring? Arusha, Ruma, okay. Hania, Indi, Sri Bala Gayatri, and Ria. Okay, everybody mostly. All right. Sharanya, did you start coloring or no? Very good, Jivika. It's looking beautiful. Excellent. Jivika, I missed you in the class. Where were you for so long? Same like Ira, you were missing. Yes, Misheta, very nice. Okay, now let's take yellow. Start adding yellow in the center of this face. Okay, these two colors will blend together, but they'll mix together. So let it mix. That's the idea. Little bit of color mixing. So it's lemon yellow and green. Okay, it's yellow and green. Let two colors mix together. If you don't have lemon yellow, you can use any other shade of yellow. Okay, I'm just telling you what colors I am using. If you don't have same shades, you can use any other shades. Very nice. Ritik, start coloring now. Add leaves to your branches and then start coloring. Okay, part of the tummy, which is this part of the tummy. This is also yellow. So let's add yellow here. Okay, little bit of yellow behind this green patch. Okay, so you have little yellow patches. Wherever you see yellow, please add yellow color. Okay, and then I'm going to switch to light blue. So towards the end here, you're going to add light blue color. Okay. Now see, I need to mix these two colors, but if I mix yellow and blue, I'm going to get a shade of green. So whenever you mix yellow with blue, you get shade of green color. Okay, so you can use your finger for color blending. You can just rub your finger by two colors if you need to mix these two colors together. So I'm just going to quickly rub my finger so that these colors are going to mix together. Okay, it will give me beautiful gradation effect. Once I mix these colors together, you can use your finger. If you're not comfortable using your finger, you can use tissue paper little ball of tissue and you can just crumple it and use it. Okay. But I feel your fingers give you better control. So you can use your fingers. It's up to you. Very nice, Amaya. And Ainesh and Ishani. Very good. Indy, it's looking beautiful. Lovely. And Gayatri, yes, nice. Well done, Gayatri. Ruma, Sri Bala Gayatri, Ira, and Mrinmai, yes. Ishani also. Beautiful work. How lovely. Nice work, students. Ready for next step? Are you all ready? Amaya, Shivansh, ready everyone? Haresh, Misheta, well done. Okay, now it's time to color inner part of the wings. Ready? So for this, we are going to just alternate colors. First section is in light blue color. So let's color this in light blue. Okay, it's the same light blue, shade number 239 that I'm using. Okay, and then the second one, leave the second one and color in the third section. So we are alternating this pattern here. Color one, leave one, again color one, and then leave one. See. Okay, then I'm going to use medium yellow here. Okay, shade number 256. It's a slightly higher tone of yellow. Initially, we have used lemon yellow. Now we are using medium yellow. So if you have medium yellow or slightly brighter tone of yellow, you can use that. I will type it here for you in the chat box. Second yellow shade number is 256, medium yellow color. So it's slightly bright. Now, just in case, if you have just one yellow, you continue with same yellow color. You can continue with same yellow. Okay, let me remove all these flakes. Very nice. Runmai, it's looking very beautiful. So nice. Okay, and then again, I'm going to take same yellow, applying it only little into this tail. Same yellow that I've just used, okay? Shade number 256, same yellow. I'm going to continue with same one. And same green color, same green shade you have to pick and you have to color it in the rest of your tail. Okay, so it's yellow and green. Tail is yellow and green. So we've used 3 shades here, blue, yellow, and green. Very good, Ira. How pretty. It's looking beautiful. Okay, so that's the combination of my bird number 1. We have left with beak. So for beak, you can take orange and red. Okay, I will type shade numbers. Okay, top part of the beak is in orange and then the base of the beak is in red. So it's orange 283, normal orange color. And then I'm using primary red, shade number 350, 350. Okay, you can refer chat box for shade numbers. Here I have normal orange and then primary red. So how do you like this? Is it looking nice? How many of you like it? Is it looking good? Very nice, Indy. Beautiful coloring. Nice. And Ira, very, very beautiful work. Amaya, very, very nice. Ria, well done. Mrunmai, Arusha, Ruma, beautiful work. Hania also, good job, Hania. Are you all ready for next step? Shall we move to the next step? Ready? Okay. Now for bird number 2, it's a different combination. Okay, so you're going to take orange, and just like bird number 1, you have to border face of your first bird in orange color. So this is normal orange 283, shade number 283. See. So that's orange face. Okay, and then little part in the tummy is orange. Let's finish all orange color work. Okay, so you take whichever orange is available with you. If not 283, use any other shade of orange. Okay, little part in the tail is also orange. Let's finish all orange color work. Next color is pink. So this is 341 pink color. 341 normal pink color. 341. And then you start coloring inner part of the face in pink. Okay, if you have light pink, use light pink, please. Those who have light pink color, baby pink or light pink, you can use that. Okay, here it's pink. Press your crayon and work in small, small patches. Do not target large areas. Okay, so it's orange and pink combination, whereas for bird number 1, it was light green and yellow. See, light green, yellow. Here it's orange and light pink. Now the third color that we are going to introduce here is red color. So it is primary red. And part of the tail is also in primary red. Okay, so it is little warm color and little cool, not exactly warm is cool because yellow go under warm. Okay, so it is combination. There is no colors happening here specifically, it is combination work. Okay, now here let's alternate red. So first section is in primary red 350. Leave the next one, and then again if you have little one, you can color it in red again. See? And then you have little patch here, right? So this goes into yellow. This is lemon yellow 236. I'm using lemon yellow 236. Even if you don't have same shades, change shades if you don't have. Okay, whichever yellow you have, you can use. This is yellow. Very nice, Ira. How pretty. Indeed, very, very beautiful work. Nice, good job. Anyone else finished over here? Amaya, Shivan, Shriya, Mrunmai, okay, Gayatri, very nice, Gayatri. Yes, Amaya too. Ishani, very, very well done. Nice coloring. How about Anvi, Hania, Ruma, and Zara? Very good, Ishani. Misheta, Jivika, Haresh, did you all finish? It's looking very beautiful, Amaya. I love it. Good, good, good job. Okay, now let's color beak in red. Beak in red, like top part of the beak in red and bottom part of the beak in yellow. So it's red and yellow for your second bird. Okay, this is red and this is yellow. Now it's time to color branches. Are you all ready to color branches? If you have light brown, you have to pick light brown color first. Okay, here I have light brown color, which is shade number 244. So if you have light brown, you pick light brown, please. If you have just one brown, then you have no other option but to use it. Okay, I will start coloring only half of my branch in light green, sorry, light brown color first, not light green, light brown, sorry. Okay, this is light brown. So right side of my branch, if you see right side of my branch is in light brown color. Okay, so half of your branch should be in light brown, and that's the right side of my branch. Okay, press your crayon, and here also, right side of my branch goes into light brown. This is shade number 244. I'm typing all shade numbers in the chat box. Please refer to the chat box. Yeah, this is light brown 244 for my branches. And I'm going to take dark brown now and color rest of my branches in dark brown. So it is light brown and dark brown, combination of two browns, light and dark. See, shade number for dark brown is 101. 101. Okay, make sure these two colors are mixing together. If two colors are not mixing, what will you do? You take your finger and rub your finger and mix these two colors together. Light brown and dark brown should mix together. So you can use your finger for color mixing. Okay, those who are coloring slow, take your time. You don't have to color fast. You don't have to rush because I have to show you entire color combination. And also I'm so used to coloring. Maybe you will feel, initially you will feel my speed is high, but soon when few classes will pass, you will also color fast. Okay, let me dab my book down. Too flaky. Okay, then. Okay, usually we do mixed media, which means we use different mediums for coloring. Okay, once you're done with this, you can color leaves later maybe. First, we will finish background color. So are you all ready for background color? Or we will finish leaves. Okay, sorry, I changed my mind. Let's finish leaves. It will be convenient, more convenient. So you take your dark green color and you border leaves with dark green. See, this way, dark green. This is shade number 108 for me. It is called as deep green color. This is shade number 108. I'm using 108. Deep green color. Okay, you have to do this to all your leaves. Instead of just coloring it in single color, we usually take two colors of same shade, like light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, red, orange. So it looks nice. It looks beautifully shaded. Okay, once you're done bordering all your leaves, the inner part of the leaves should go in light green color. See. So you pick your light green and color inner part of your leaves in light green. See, your coloring speed entirely depends on practice. If you practice more, you will be more faster. If you're new in the class, if you're not used to coloring, then it will take little time. But it's okay, take your time. Okay, so it's light green, dark green. Now we will move to background color. So how is it looking? Is it looking nice? How many of you like it? Not looking nice? Ira likes it. Ruma, Samriddhi. Yes, well done. Ira, good job. Indi, good job. Gayatri, very nice. And Amaya too. Samriddhi, very, very good. And Sribala, very good. Sribala. And Ainesh, well done, Ainesh. And Ria, beautiful finishing, nice. Samriddhi too. Sorry, Samidha also. Samidha, that's Mrunmai. Good job, Mrunmai. And Jivika. Jivika, finish your branches. Ishani, well done. Very, very good. Okay, so next we are going to switch to cake colors. If you have cake colors, you can take watercolors and we will finish entire background with that. Ruma, did you finish? Thank you, Valli. Valli, did you finish? Yes, okay. Now, see, these are cake colors. I have cake colors over here. So if you have cake colors, you can use it. If not, you can use your oil pastels. Okay, whatever you have. Whatever coloring medium you have, you can use it. Now for background, I'm going to use light blue color. I'm going to add little water to my light blue cake here and mix it. Yes, and we will color feed soon. Let's finish this. Okay, add water to your light blue color. If you don't have watercolor cakes, you can use oil pastels, color pencils, or any other medium. Okay, here I'm going to color this entire sky in light blue color. Okay, let's consider this as sky in the background. And all of you start coloring. Take your brush, your cake colors, and start coloring in light blue color. Okay, as you can see, I'm maintaining one stroke, which means one direction when I'm coloring. My brush moves into vertical lines mostly. So you need to maintain one direction while coloring your entire background. Okay, even if you're using all pastels, watercolors, watercolor cakes, tubes, or any other coloring material, you need to maintain one direction for coloring, which is called a stroke. Okay. You have to pick comfortable brush size. If you're comfortable using medium size brush, go for it. I usually use size 12 rounded brush, which is kind of thick brush. But if you feel that you're not comfortable using thick brush, you can use medium size brush like size 5 or size 6. Okay, if you feel your cakes are drying, you need to add more water. Misheta, did you start coloring background or still into your main subject? Okay, nice. Misheta, it's looking good. Hania, how about you? Okay, our class may extend maybe 5 minutes extra, so be patient. Okay, finish your work slowly, carefully. No need to rush. You can take your time. Yes, you can use brush pens, Ruma. More than brush pens, if you have crayon, it will look nice, Ruma. Because brush pen's blue color is slightly dark. It will give you like slightly darker tone of blue in the background, which is not required. So if you have light blue color in your oil pastels, that shade is going to look much, much more better. You check all corners, especially next to leaves and beak and small areas. If you've colored everything properly. Saranya, how's it going? Show your work, Saranya. Okay, nice. Good job. Amaya also. Indy, it's looking beautiful. Very, very good job, Indy. Okay, here we have left with this cloth. So we are going to use gray color. So if you have gray in your watercolors or in your brush pens or crayons, you can take gray and you can color this in gray color. Okay, how many of you have watercolors? Please raise your hands. How many of you are coloring with watercolors? Indi, Srivalli, Ishani, and Ria also. Haresh. Okay, Haresh. And anyone else? Zara? Zara, are you coloring? Your camera is off. Excuse me. Arusha, yes, okay. Okay, Indi, all right. Ishani also. And Gayatri, okay. Jivika. And Ainesh also. Okay, Ainesh. I know. Ira also. Ira, if you've finished, hold your work up. Ria, Ainesh, Hania. Those who have finished, show me your artwork. Please hold your papers up. Amaya, it's looking beautiful. Indi, very well done. Anyone else finished? Or you're still coloring? How is it? Are you all still coloring? Ishani, yes, finish it, Ishani. Little is left. Mrunmay, it's looking very beautiful. Ira too. Very, very well done. Nice work, students. Now, really, really good job. And I'm going to clap for all of you. Please clap for yourself. Good job, students. Well done. Very, very good. A big pat on your back. Very, very well done. It is difficult because we are distance apart. It is difficult to catch also, but all of you are doing wonderful work. You're just seeing me online and you're following me and getting such a beautiful work is commendable. So very, very well done. And if you're still coloring, finish your work slowly. Do not change direction when you're coloring. Color from top to bottom in small, small patches. Arusha, hold your work up. Ria, it's looking very beautiful. Lovely. Shivansh also, continue your work. Shivansh, it's looking very, very good. Indi finished. Indi, did you finish entire background? Yes. It's looking beautiful. Nice. If you've not finished, just finish this part. I see this part is not finished, or maybe it looks like that in the camera. Maybe this part. Arusha, well done. Good job, Arusha. Okay, let's stop recording for this class now.